Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This is Halle Bailey with the song called Angel. Beautiful song, and she's also the one who is Little Mermaid, if you knew that. So she's acting both under and over the water. Anyway, let's take a look at this song. This one is piano based, okay? So we do it on a guitar. So when it comes to how to play it on a guitar, we need to set our capo high up here on the 8th fret because we want the high notes that is played with the piano. So notes high up here, that is why we have this capo set. All right, so we'll not go over chords like we usually do. We could go over 4 of them. Because they're used later in the bridge part, but otherwise it's just a picking pattern song here, so no need for any strumming or so. So I'm gonna show you 4 chords you need perhaps for the bridge part, but otherwise I'm gonna just take you through the verse play and the chorus play, so to speak. All right, so capo on 8, and the 4 chords I'm gonna show you is the A minor, the D, the F, and E. All right, so it's A minor here, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have F, that's a bar chord. You place a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so that is used later at about 2 minutes and 19 seconds into the song. You can play 4 downs for each and every chord in the order we'll learn the chord: A minor, D, F, and E. So I just want to mention that, but this song is mainly about the verse and the chorus play. So you have that bridge part now. Let's take a look at the verse play. So it starts with A minor, and I suggest you hold the chord as it is. Okay, and you're gonna play this part. Okay, so hold the chord as it is, and you pick open A together with first B. Then second G and second D. Then you go to first B again, second G, and second D. And one more time, first B, second G, and second D. That's the starting there of A minor. Then we'll land a little bit on the E. You need to hold this grip here. That is second on D, first on G, and third on the B. So you play second on D together with third B, then first G, and back to second D. And that's it. We just land on that E chord. Then we'll go back to A minor. Now you cannot actually hold the chord as it is. You don't have to, but just for the purpose of having it as stripped down as possible, you're gonna have the chord as it is, A minor, and now you're gonna play this part. So that is open A together with open E, then first B, and second G. Then you go open E, first B, and second G. You play that for 2 more rounds, so open E, first B, and second G, and the final open E, first B, and second G. So that is the next A minor part. Goes like this. I use my fingers here because I'm used to that since I played classical music before when I started playing guitar like 70 years ago. But anyway, so you can use a pick if you wish, but this is very good to practice your fingers, and it's a great way of playing guitar, in my belief, is to be able to use the different fingers there. You will practice your speed and you will be more, yeah, it will help you in your guitar play for sure. So that's how I do it. You can use a pick if you're not used to using your fingers like I do. Anyway, that mentioned, we'll go to next chord. Now we have something that is based upon the D minor. So this is the grip, second on the G string, third on B, and first on E. You're gonna pick open D string together with first E, then third B, and second G. Then you go again, first E, third B, second G, and the final time, first E, third B, and second G. So that was the D minor part. Then you go back to A minor and play just one of that round, just a land on that A minor, and that is open A together with open E, first B, and second G. That's it. Then we'll go to something that looks like a B chord. What I do here, I place my finger on the second fret A string, and then I just place a bar there on the fourth fret from the D string and down. I use my little ring finger for that, so I just place a bar, and then I add the second fret A string. So with that grip, that is the hardest part in the song. You're gonna play. Okay, so second on A together with fourth B, then fourth G, and fourth D. And then you go again, fourth B, fourth G, and fourth D. And then we have the final part left. It's based upon an E, but it's a little bit of random notes there. Not random, but they're not following the same pattern like we played till this point. It goes like this. Based upon the E. So you're gonna play open E string in the bass together with third B, then open B, then first G, second D, then back to first G, and open B. And there you have the verse. Okay, that is the hardest part in the song, the verse play. So I'm gonna take you through this slowly, so you really hear what's up and how it goes. So starting again from A minor. Yeah, something like that. I got lost there. It was pretty much too slow. In standard tempo, it's not that much faster actually, but it gives you some certain of flow there in the playing. So I'm gonna play for you one round of it with somewhat of a standard tempo. Let's go. Alright, so that is how it goes. Yeah, that is the main part, but we also have the chorus part. I believe it's a chorus part. It's in the lyrics. Angels would our way somehow or something. Yeah, makes our way somehow. I think it's the lyric there. Anyway, that is where the chorus starts. So we will have a different playing now. You can actually hold the F as it is. You learn that chord. with the bar and everything. You're gonna play this part. And I just want to mention here, it's hard to hear all the actual notes in this part because it's a lot of lyrics and vocals going on there and a lot of other stuff, music generally. So it's hard to hear exactly the note there as in the verse. So some notes I'm pretty sure of, and some notes will just follow along with the chord. The chords are right, but certain notes are hard to pick there. So anyway, this is how you could play and be very, very close, if not accurate. All right. So again, go to the F. I'm gonna play this part. So that is first on E string in the bass together with first B, then second G and third D, then first B, second G and third D. That is the F part. Then you go to C and play this. That is third on A together with first B, open G and second D, then first B, open G and second D. And then you're gonna play the E chord there finally, and it's so you could hold the chord as it is and play open E string in the bass together with open B, first G, second D, then open B, first G, second D for another 2 rounds, open B, first G, second D, and finally open B, first G, and second D. And that's it. You go with that for 2 rounds. It will sound like this. And then back to verse. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Halle Bailey's Angel. Beautiful song, give it a try, a very, very good song to practice your finger picking with, because the chords are not that hard actually. Some are the B perhaps or so, but anyway, generally great chords and nice patterns, very common when it comes to finger picking. So a great song to practice that one. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know, thumb up, leave a comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. And until next time, play tuned.